17. Morning and evening. Tick-tock, says the clock. Wake up, says the sun. Cuckoo, says the cock. It's morning, little one. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Tick-tock, says the clock. Time to sleep, says the moon. Sweet dreams, no more talk. Till morning, it will be soon. Let's try this. Repeat these sentences after your teacher. 1. We come to school in the morning. We study and play. We go home in the evening. We go to sleep at night. Say aloud. 1. The little clock. There's a neat little clock. In the schoolroom it stands and it points to the time with its two little hands. 1. Is there a clock in your classroom? Point it out. Comment this. 2. Is there a clock in your school? Where is it? Comment this. Next 2. Clock, frock, lock, stool, pool, school. Face, race, lace. Next 3. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Saturday, Tuesday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. 1. Which day of the week is it today? Comment this. Which day is a weekly holiday? Comment this. Next 4. Look at the calendar. There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.